guys, this is Rene Wadhwa from EFA School Media and I am with Lakshmi Puri मैम. मैम अपने बारे में एक छोटा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन दीजिए. ये वीडियो 50,000 बच्चे देखेंगे EFA स्कूल्स के.
Oh, wonderful. So I'm Lakshmi Murdeshwar Puri. I was born and brought up in Delhi, but my parents are from Maharashtra and northern Karnataka. So I'm married to a Sikh. So I'm a true Indian, pan-Indian. I thought I should tell you that. Then I joined the Foreign Service, Indian Foreign Service in 1974. And then for 28 years, I was in different countries, representing India abroad. And then after that, I joined the UN and was there for 15 years, including I had the privilege of founding the first global organization for promoting gender equality and women's empowerment, UN Women. And since then, I have recently launched a new vocation. I've launched a new career, but it's also something that is so dear to my heart, and that is I've launched my first novel, debut novel, Swallowing the Sun, which is a coming of age novel. So young people, it's about young people, for young people. It's about women's empowerment, a Nari Shakti, ode to Nari Shakti. It is about the freedom struggle and how young people participated and contributed to it. It is about also a family saga. So there are so many different dimensions to this novel. It's very dramatic and it speaks to you, young people today, both to boys and girls, about how it was then, but also how all of what happened there, how things have changed, but also how things have remained the same in some ways. Whether you look at how women are, whether they are getting educated, whether they are being empowered today or not, to the same. Are the men supportive? Because this novel shows you how men, fathers, lovers, husbands support women's empowerment in their journey of empowerment. So there are so many things, and also it's very much evoking the richness of our regional cultures, like Marathi culture and literature and music and theatre. All of that I bring to the rest of India, to you, those who are reading it in English right now. But very soon I'm going to have a Hindi version. In a year's time, next literature festival, I will bring it here. And also it's going to come out in Marathi and Telugu.
ओके मैम, एक क्वेश्चन था. आपके जीवन की तरह इस बुक का कवरेज भी बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्स रहा है एंड इनिशियली टाइटल को पढ़ के मुझे लगा कि मे बी कुछ हनुमान का तो इसमें पोटेंशियल का कुछ मतलब जिक्र है क्या बुक में?
पोटेंशियल, सॉरी,
मतलब जो इंसान का पोटेंशियल होता है, क्योंकि हनुमान इज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ पोटेंशियल.
तो ये जो आपने बहुत ही अच्छा प्रश्न पूछा, क्योंकि ये जो स्वॉलोइंग द सन, सूर्य को निगलना, ये एक 13वीं सदी की महिला, टीनेज महिला संत थी, वरकारी संत मुक्ताबाई. उन्होंने एक अभंग लिखा था. तो अभंग आप जानते हैं, डिवोशनल वर्स, भक्ति गीत. तो उसमें से ये लिया गया है. और उसने यही कहा है कि अगर आप विश्वास रखो, अगर आप धैर्य दिखाओ और कुछ भी मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, ये दृढ़ निश्चय कर लो और आप उस पे लगे रहो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। जो हमें लगता है कि अरे ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी, मेरी सीमाएं हैं, मैं सीमित हूँ किसी तरह से, आप हर चीज़ को तोड़ के उड़ सकते हो उस चींटी की तरह। इसमें जो बताया गया है, जो मिरेकल्स होते हैं ना, चमत्कार हो सकता है, हर व्यक्ति के जीवन में चमत्कार हो सकता है। और वो अपने आप जैसे सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, everyone can realize, be self-realized, no matter how small or how limited his circumstances. ये एक बड़ा इसका मैसेज है और आप युवाओं के लिए भी है कि आप जो करना चाहो वो कर पाओगे अगर आप विश्वास रखो, मेहनत करो, उस पे लगे रहो, डटे रहो।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।